Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Let us read something which is going to be very interesting today. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. We have a wonderful story today, and the name of the story is Monkey and the Magical Hat. Get ready because we are going to read it together. In an animal town, there was a little monkey named Mintu who loved to swing from tree to tree. One day, Mintu found a magical hat that gave him the ability to speak with other animals. Excited, Mintu chatted with the birds, rabbits, and squirrels, making new friends every day. However, Mintu soon realized that not all the animals got along. The birds didn't like the squirrels, and the giraffes didn't talk to the rabbits. One day, Mintu organized a grand picnic where all the animals could come together. As they shared stories and laughter, the differences melted away and friendships blossomed. The magic wasn't in the hat, but in the unity of the diverse animal community. The moral of the story is friendship and understanding can overcome differences, making the world a happier place for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.